Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome back. It's Saturday morning. So the reason I made a video about the customer who gave me his word on getting his vehicle off my lot is one, I have a very small lot. Two, my 17 years experience in Meineke Cinnaminson has been people who do not fix their cars or say the engine's blown or the trans is blown or something's going on. It's been my experience in my demographics and area that I wind up married to that vehicle and storing it to the point where people never call you back or they just continue to drive by to see if it's there and give you the yeah, I'm going to get it. And eventually my small lot that only has a few parking spots is filled with vehicles that are abandoned. And Ford Boss Me can back me up on this as well, that he went through that going to another shop that was just storing people's cars that never wanted to get them fixed, or they're going to get it fixed, or whatever the case may be. So in the beginning I used to do that, and then I wound up with a bunch of vehicles that were abandoned, and then I had to take them, push them off my lot, put them on the street, and then eventually wait for the police department or the township to come get them because they made contact with the owners and they never picked them up, or however it unfolded. After me of sitting on someone's car and calling them and say, hey, please come get your car, they never get it. I can't sit on it at my lot, wait for the converter to get stolen or the radio to get stolen or whatever the BS that goes on in our world. So now I become more aggressive with, hey, you don't want to fix it, make sure you get it out of here. If it drives, it's a different story. But when it comes in and the subframe's rusted out or the brake lines are rotted out or the blown engine or blown transmission, in the past it's been they leave it there. Now it becomes my problem, and I no longer tolerate that. I don't have the parking to store it. The township completely tortures me in Cinnaminson about vehicles sitting on the streets or on the lot for a long period of time. It's just the way that it is. They have an ordinance that they enforce about too many vehicles on your lot based upon your base space. And if you have any questions, you can call the Cinnaminson Township and ask them about the same thing that they've been torturing me with for 17 years about. But yeah, there's other shop owners that probably have the same experience, that these people have abandoned their cars. They're no longer customers, and they just sit, and then after 20 or 30 years in business, you're going to have 20, 30 cars of abandoned vehicles that the customer doesn't care about. They forget about, or who knows what's going on in the world. But I, for one, I can't deal with it anymore. I tried in the beginning, and people take advantage of you, and you don't want to fix it. It's your vehicle. You own it. It's your responsibility. Take it home, junk it, take it someplace else and get it fixed. I personally don't care. You bring it to me, I tell you what's up. You don't want to fix it, come get your car. Just like you take your kids to daycare. You don't take your kids to daycare and then never pick them up, right? It's the same scenario. Thanks for watching.